Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Grain N Grace Shawarma mix. Its net weight 100 grams, 50 grams shawarma mix plus 50 grams mayonnaise. Let's open the contents of the pack. Shawarma mix, mayonnaise mix. Let's start the preparation. First take half kg chicken. Make deep cuts on chicken. Now keep aside this chicken. Now take a bowl. Take half of the pouch shawarma mix, around 12.5 grams. Add 2 spoons curd. Next add 45 grams of green chilli and garlic paste. Now mix it well. Mixing completed. Now take the chicken, apply it evenly on the chicken pieces and keep in the refrigerator for minimum 3 hours, not in freezer. Now keep it in refrigerator for 3 hours minimum. 3 hours completed. Now take it from fridge. Now take a non-stick pan. Add some oil. Now grill the marinated chicken pieces on a non-stick pan on low flame. Now keep a lid and grill both sides until it is cooked well. Now let's prepare mayonnaise. Take 25 grams of mayonnaise mix, half of the pouch. Next add 87.5 grams of water or 12 spoons. Next add 37.5 grams of sunflower oil or 8 spoons. Now grind for 1 minute. Now turn the chicken to grill the both sides. Chicken cooking completed. Now shred the chicken into small pieces. Now mix the meat with mayonnaise and roll it on either kubus or chapati or Rumali Roti. I am taking Rumali Roti. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.